Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to create links in HTML using the A tag. Links are essential for connecting web pages and creating navigation menus. Ready? Let's get started. So, why do we use the A tag? Links are the glue that holds the internet together. They let us navigate from one page to another, jump to sections within a page, and even link to documents or images. Without links, we wouldn't be able to move around the web easily. To create a link, we use the A tag, which stands for anchor. We use an attribute called href to specify where the link should go. The text between the opening A tag and the closing A tag is the clickable text people see. Let's look at some examples. Here's how to link to an external website, like your favorite site. This link will take you to google.com when you click on it. If you want to open it in a new tab, use the target blank attribute. This way, the link opens in a new tab and the original page stays open. Now let's talk about linking to another page on your website. If you have multiple pages, you can link them together easily. Let's say you have a second HTML file called about.html. Here's how to link to it. This example assumes that the about.html file is in the same folder as your main HTML file. When you click the link, it'll take you to the about.html page. Speaking of extra pages, let me show you how to create them. It's simple. Just make a new HTML file in the same folder as your main file. For example, create a file named about.html and add your HTML content inside. Here's a basic example to get you started. Now you have a second page that you can link to from your main page. Alright, here's your challenge. Create a second HTML page like an about or contact page, then link to it from your main page using the A tag. You can use this example as a guide. Try it out and see how you can navigate between pages on your website. Alrighty guys, as you can see I've already set up some basic boilerplate code. Now it's time to create an about.html file. So click on the create file icon, about.html. We'll add the boilerplate code needed. HTML, add the head with the title, about page. Add the body, the H1 saying about page. We'll save that. Now we're going to have to link back to the about page from the index.html file. So let's add a link. Add the anchor tag, href, about.html, with the title about page. We're going to save this. Now come across to the web browser. As you can see, there's the link. If we click on that, we go to the about page. Here's a bit of extra information. There are two types of links, relative and absolute. An absolute link is the full URL, like google.com. A relative link points to a file within your project, like about.html. Use absolute links to connect to external sites and relative links to navigate within your website. If you want to create a link to another section on the same page, you use an ID. Let's say we have a section with the ID contact. Then we create a link like this. The contact in the href tells the browser to jump in the section with the ID contact. This is super helpful for long pages. Awesome work today. You've learnt how to create links to other websites, link to pages within your own site, and even make extra pages for your website. Keep experimenting and share what you create in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for our next lesson. See you next time. Happy coding!